bolder and built to dominate, Suzuki just dropped the 2026 RMZ 1050, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. If you thought the RMZ lineup peaked, think again. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to spot for the latest in two-wheel innovation. Today, we're diving into Suzuki's most powerful RMZ yet, the all-new RMZ 1050. This machine isn't just about numbers, it's about attitude, agility, and evolution. Design right out of the gate. The RMZ 1050 looks the part. It's aggressive, muscular, and lean where it counts. The new bodywork is more aerodynamic, while updated graphics and that signature yellow finish keep it rooted in Suzuki's race heritage. A redesigned seat and tank combo offer better rider movement, perfect for attacking trails or taming the track. Performance. Under the hood, Suzuki's thrown in a brand new 1050cc single-cylinder engine, torquey, responsive, and surprisingly manageable. With reworked intake and exhaust systems, the power delivery feels linear but strong across the rev range. The updated chassis and KYB suspension provide excellent balance, whether you're landing hard or railing berms. And yes, this thing moves. Features and tech. Suzuki finally embraces modern tech with selectable ride modes, launch control, and an advanced traction management system. The digital display is clean, compact, and now fully backlit for better visibility in all conditions. It's clear Suzuki listened to riders this time around. Conclusion. The 2026 RMZ 1050 brings big bike power to the RMZ family without losing the raw, responsive feel that made it a favourite. It's bold, it's balanced, and it's ready to battle. If you're as excited as we are, drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews, where the future of riding is always front and centre.